stay seated, and now we're just waiting on those 3 magical words. Alright folks, here now we have permission to hit something. Please wave goodbye to those 2 lovely skippers on the dock. You will not be taking them ever. Never again. Alright folks, welcome to the world's greatest jungle cruise. My name is Liz and I will be your skipper for as far as we can get. But first off, folks, from ground rules. Please make sure to stay seated at all times. Keep no hands on your feet and legs when shoulders up. Once again, please make sure to stay seated at all times. Parents, watch the children. The children. I beg you, please watch parents. Alright, folks, up ahead over to your right hand side, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Some people say that Indiana Jones is in there looking for his treasure. Now, you see, I don't know why he's looking so far if I'm standing right here. Alright, folks, then over to your left-hand side, everybody, we have a 500-pound Himalayan tiger, everyone. Now, you see, I don't get why they call it Himalayan. It is clearly timber standard. And then up here, over to your left-hand side, we have some concrete evidence that we will be seeing some elephants today. Alright, folks, we have now made it over to the Super Elephant Bathing Pool. If y'all would like to take some pictures of their videos, you're more than welcome to. They were provided us with their parts today. And right up here at the front, we have our little place for itself. Little one, listen to your parents and they say no more than 20 minutes in the shower. Or else, we'll have a bucket like this, an elephant. Hey, bud! I'm going to surprise you today! Why did you movie call you Squirt? No, but everybody please take a minute to come on here. I'm just kidding, folks. That's a little bit of some dry humor for y'all. And then if y'all look ahead, it is going to be more intense. Oh my gosh, my house! It hurt my house! I just came it off last week! And then like it's like, oh my god! It's a fucking woman. Oh no, she's not supposed to have that. Is everybody at the back doing okay? We're all good, okay? Just making sure, because I get paid for the amount of people I bring back. Woo! Alright, folks, and up ahead it is going to be the famous Schweitzer Falls! This is named after her founder, Albert. Falls, but do not worry, folks, it will go over and out later. Alright, everybody, we have now the Nile River. People say we go left an aisle. An aisle. An aisle. And if you don't believe me, you're in an aisle. No, but you're in a boat. Come on, get it together. You're in a boat. Alright, everybody, we have now made it to the Great African Gulf. This is where we get to hold up the Great African Gulf. That is at the front. There's going to be some stressy horses and some walking and cheetahs and all the way back there, folks. Those are called trees. And I have no idea what these things are. They're brand new. Well, would you look at that, everybody? The stressy horse, he looks dead. Tennessee, my name is dead asleep. You're not wearing the lion from the city camera. For later. Okay, alright, folks. This is why we tell you to stay seated at all times, keeping all your guards being out like this, everybody. This is what happens when you leave your cruise. I told you to stay in the boat! Okay, right now, it's his first day. And possibly his last. Alright, but everything seems to be going pretty calm so far. You know, nothing to worry about. Is this just going good? Yeah, okay. I'm going to do some Disney tonight, and you guys look up ahead. They are going to be a huge hippos. Oh my gosh, this seems to be hungry hippos. Alright, we're going to do it for years, and we're going to try to scare them off. And would you look at that, folks? I scared them stiff. You're welcome, I just have to save your life. Alright, let's put on the wheel now. Just slightly bend it over to that line. Have you even a monkey to do it? Have you ever heard of it? You know that? Anyway, Just you, everyone. Alright, everybody. Now, it's gonna be the movie balls and lighting balls. The marvelous, stupendous, incredible, the best side of the water. Woohoo! Oh, shoot, hey. Oh, shoot, hey. Oh, shoot, hey. Now, if you look at the head, it's the head. Alright folks, I have box out of one of the fishing spots popular. So you know, if you like to stick your hand in there and grab me a fish for my dinner later, I really appreciate it. Alright everybody, now I'm going to head over to your left hand side. There's going to be a snake on a tree. Alright folks, set up the head right up in the eye. We're going to be traders now. It's right. Not to be confused for Trader Joe's now. Come on folks. Oh my. But if anybody's going to happen to lose any phones, any letters, any wallets, or perhaps maybe even a kid or two out there, you will not find us here. You're completely going through. Once again, please make sure to stay seated at all times. Make sure your hands and your elbows are inside of the boat. I do not want y'all scratching up my beautiful dog. Double! You hear that, guys? That means we got to go again! But do not worry, folks. I will not do that to myself. Alright folks, every single one of y'all have been completely outstanding on this cruise today. And now,